Today's lesson in Schoology is in the Digital Citizenship folder. So if you go into that folder, you will be looking for the last lesson in the list called Is Seeing Believing? When you click into there are 4 different activities. With your partner, you need to submit the first 3. The quiz at the very end is something you're going to do on your own. I will show you the first one. So once you click into the assignment, remember you're choosing My Document here, and that will open your copy. You don't need to put your name on any of these. They are automatically assigned to you. So it says, work with your group to analyze the photograph on this page, then answer the questions below. Question number 1, what was altered in the second version of the photo? So you want to think with your partner, how are they different? How were they altered? And number 2, why do you think it was altered? What was the person who changed this photo into this one? What were they trying to accomplish? Remember, on these digital worksheets, you need to type on each line. Don't hit return or enter to go down to the next line. You'll just need to click. That's one of the weird parts of these digital worksheets. When you're all done, close out of it in full screen and click the Submit Assignment button here to turn it in. Use your breadcrumb trail to go back to Is Seeing Believing? And then continue on to Photo Fake example number 2 and number 3. When those 3 are done, on your own, you will take the quiz, Is Seeing Believing lesson quiz. Don't forget to submit your quiz when you get to the end of the questions. Really important. I can't see your completed work until you submit that quiz. When all of that work is finished, you may go to Typing Agent Lessons. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.